Hi everyone, welcome back to the Angular 10 tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about property binding. Property binding is used to pass data from the component class and setting the value of the given element in the user end. Alright, property binding is an example of one-way data binding where the data is transferred from the component to the class. Okay, so let's see how we can do property binding in Angular 10. For that, switch to the project and just open app.component.html. So just go inside the src directory, then app, and from here just open app.component.html. Okay, and here add some input text field. So just write here uh, input type is equal to text. Okay, name, let's say name is equal to num1. All right, create another input field. Input type is equal to text and name is equal to, let's say, num2. All right, now you can see this input text field here. It's compiling. Okay, you can see here the first input text field and second text field. Just add here var tag, also here, and add the text here, first number. Okay, and here second number. All right, now set the file, and here it is. Okay, first number, second number. All right, now let's create some properties. So go to the app.component.ts file, and here just create three properties. Okay, first is first number, let's say default value 0, second number and default value 0, and one more property which is sum is equal to 0. Okay, now let's bind these properties with this input field. So just write here value is equal to first one, means this first number. Okay, so just write here double quote first number, and value is equal to second number, this one. Okay, all right, now add the button here. So just write here button and text add. Okay, now let's create a function inside app.component.ts file. So just here create a function get add. Okay, and pass two parameter num1, num2. All right, just write here this dot sum is equal to, first of all convert into float. So just write here parse float and num1 plus sign parse float num2. All right, now call this function on button click. So just go to the app.component.html file, and here just write click, click, and inside double quote just write here uh, this function name get add. So just write here get add, and here inside the input text field just add the id. So just write here has num1 has num2. Okay, and here just write num1 dot value, and second parameter num2 dot value. All right, and now display the sum of display this variable. Okay, so just write here inside the h1 tag sum is equal to, inside the double curly bracket, this dot sum. Okay, now save the file, and now let's check. So switch to the browser, and here just add the first number, let's say first number 12, and second number 34. Okay, now click on add, and you can see here 46. Okay, if I change the number, let's say 78, and here 12, click on add 90. Okay, so in this way you can bind the property in Angular 10. That's all about Angular 10 property binding. So thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.